Me and my co-engineer board point 1206, and we waited until the cargo was loaded. He'll write more stuff while it's getting loaded. Dang it, I knew this shit would happen. We saw a group of fire trucks go past us heading to Westerstaad power plant. We heard a siren happen, and we knew we had to go before some shit hit us. We went full speed, and the train went fast speeding. A train went past us heading to westerstaad power currently used home to warn them down, but it was too late as they were hit with a powerful shockwave. We were losing a lot of fuel, but we were soon hit by shockwave, but it only broke our windows when we made a stop at the station. There we met survivors. When we looked back, there was a leftover mushroom cloud from explosion. We paid respects to people at power plant as we all watched in horror. We decided to head to find survivors. We coupled .4 passenger carts and were heading to Orient station. We will tell you what will we encounter next time. See you all soon.